Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to check if you have digitally signed and verified drivers in your Windows 11. So what you can do, you can just right click on your start icon and select run. So here you can just type SIGVERIF, which is basically SIGVerif you can call it. So hit enter and then it will open this menu, file signature verification. So if you start this feature, it will actually check all your Windows drivers if they are digitally signed and they are verified. So let me just do it, and here we have the result of this. As you can see, the following files have not been digitally signed. So as you can see, this is my wireless Wi-Fi driver, this is the main exe, and this is the setup.xml. So these two files have not been digitally signed. Anyway, that's how you check your drivers in Windows 11, either they are verified or not. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.